Hey guys, I'm Miles, and today we're going to be painting this wall a chroma key green so that we'll have a green screen. On finish and close. Just finished sanding the wall. I wiped it down with a towel so that we'll get a nice, dustless, smooth surface for the paint to really adhere. Let's get into it. The paint has finally dried. I waited overnight and put another coat of the Chroma Key Green paint, and it worked out really well. If you guys have any suggestions what to do with our new green screen, please leave a comment down below or submit some green screen backgrounds for me to be in. We're going to be able to do some pretty cool things with this, so I'm excited. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you'd like to expand your mind, your heart, or your wallet, please support the channel by subscribing for more content. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and turn on your notification bell to watch when our next video is posted. As always, I'm Miles, and we'll catch you on the next one on Finish and Close.